Hello and welcome to my Sunday From. Today I'm gonna make a burrito, and you can call this a Peruvian recipe, but the things you need for it are gonna be a tortilla, and I kind of extra crispied mine. And you're gonna need some beans. I have a pot of beans here. You can have them however you want them. And I have here a beef ramen, an egg, and of course the boiling water to put my beef ramen in. So let me go ahead and crush this ramen up just enough. I don't want them all crushed up, and I'll show you. Just enough, and then you pull out the seasoning packet and you pour it in and shake it. Just pour it in and then shake it up. Get it nice and coated. This is what it looks like, really coated. And then what you do is you just grab the boiling water and you pour it into this little opening and just put it in a bowl and just pour the water in there just like this until you cover the noodles. You don't want to pour it all the way up because then it'll start literally boiling the plastic. So you just want to cover the noodles and then tie it like this, twist it, pinch it down, and just set it. And then you can flip it. Oh, I'm sorry. Just twist it like this, and you can flip it backwards and forwards for a few minutes on each side. Like it's like cooking a hamburger, just a couple minutes on each side. So I'm just gonna pour some oil in here and then put the egg on. Just like that. And then just flip the egg whenever it gets nice and crispy. So you just want to flip it whenever it gets solid on the bottom. So now the egg is finished, and you can just put it to the side. Just like that. And then next you can put your beans on. So however many beans you want. If you want some refried, if you want them whole, just put your beans on and warm them up until they're soft again. So here we are, and I have the tortilla ready. So I'll just put my beans on the bottom, because see, it's dry on the bottom, so I'll just put my beans on the bottom. I'm gonna make some refried too, so I can have this literally to coat the tortilla. And for my refried, I'll put the Julios on that because like all of this has a lot of flavor. They're done. So now I'm gonna get out the ramen noodles. And this is what the ramen looked like coming out. And you can do yours however you want, but I just put mine like this. And I'll put the eggy inside too. top of that. And then, of course, put the beans on the tortilla. And just like that, you just fold it up. And you have yourself a burrito. And this is what I'm gonna eat right now. And I can't wait because, like, literally, I just made this last night by itself as a bowl. And it was so good. I was like, I'm gonna eat it tomorrow with a tortilla, but I didn't exactly know how. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Make some different.